Yeah, father. I want to rap Batman the way me have. You feel like say I won't get rich without me? Hey, God, me tougher than them, you know. Me tougher than them. Honey and Clyde, Clyde and die. Touch feeling did I go get rich?
Jesse! Jesse!
Touch thinking I go get rich without me. I could fuck.
Yo, you know see me I shut off here from young, sir.
Shut up, how are you?
Listen. Remember say, babes, remember say, I work here.
Stop breathing on my shoulder, man.
Wait, what? Good.
So where you follow me up for? You dey run back at me, I just leave yard.
Yeah, talk about babes. You must chase after her, I'm a woman, you know. Listen, I go down so I go work. Please, the little money we I make, just save a little bit out of it and buy back my phone, yeah? Because we have come so.
Hey, father. You dey hold up my time. I want to go up on your woman work, you know.
You must see my phone last, you know. And when I come down there, come look for you in that same time period they last, you know.
You feel me?
Yeah.
You're good, man. You're good. So you want me to work my little $15,000 to come buy you back phone?
You're skilled enough to take my job, you're more skilled enough to can get a little bit more money.
God, father, you see how bad man come in?
Me bad man. After me, I look about the 2 hours first. And you come see me, I look about the 2 hours. You just think say you fit on man now. And look about me.
Going back to your yard, me go work for come buy you back phone. Oh boy.
Boy, woman these days, modern woman. No brain. Run come weird on us. Chase, different kind of woman.
Father, but hearing about me for work, my hard working money for buying back which phone? Not some woman you want, man. Some woman, not some woman you get. Then you want big problems, so you get an extra large fries with that too for go drink with soda. Me for work and buy you back phone. I'm go up and listen to you work like man. Honey and Clyde, ride and die. Touch feeling did I go get rich without me. Honey and Clyde, ride and die. Some boy not get rich without me. Sun hot, I don't know if them people are there. See all that the girl there with the perplex me. This me feel like say carry too much things. There's nobody there, father. Yeah, put down. Go check around the front. Make sure the coast clear. Lord.
I know what you say, Pop. I understand what you say, Pop. You hear me? Pops?
Tell him to call my phone.
Pops, I not hear you good. Pops, I not hear you good. Call Cookie phone. Alright. You feel say man send it?
Yeah, you have to make him send it. We need more.
Sometimes I don't like deal with him, you know, man.
Babe, we need to talk to him and know your father.
So when he call back, yeah, man.
Put on speaker, make me hear him say.
Yeah, Pops.
Yeah, what you doing, son?
Yeah, so what me I say, Pops? It don't make no sense you come down, Pops. It's just if they have a problem with the amount you're sending, just wire it, Pops. Me know you mean and you don't want to wire it cost that cost, but just at least send it. Pops. Hello?
The internet just be a problem.
Hello? Pops? I'm calling, but what me your phone? You love put password on your phone, eh?
Babe, like...
I must sit near have a hide.
Nothing like...
So why me can't know your password?
I mean, it's not necessary.
I mean, I don't like me to search your phone. Me I search your phone? Me I search your phone?
But I mean, come on.
Come on, me need to know the password too. What if something happen, me have to open your phone or you left your phone and me have to open it and get out some information. You know I'm to know my name password now. No one thing come down still.
You try now make him come down here. This house can't manage nobody else.
You know, if he come down in Tanya, you know if it's Tanya hotel.
So
Or in a one
when him come
Airbnb
down, him
them.
not going to spend as much money like when him over there and him must send the money. Need him here. I don't need him here.
Pops, you know hear me? Pops.
Hold the phone.
Yeah,
Pa-
man, I'm hearing it clearly.
Alright, Pops. Alright. So as me I say, like, you know, I have to send everything one time, Pops. You can't send it in parts, you know. Like some today, you know, some tomorrow. You know, send it in parts where it's more easier. Because if you try send the whole 10,000 US, they're gonna have a problem. They're gonna wonder if me a scammer. I don't know it. I don't even know how to dial a number.
Make him send the money.
Skinny, I'm not sending no money part by part. You know how much that's gonna cost? You come like a gold digger like your mother.
Pops, don't bring mom in this.
I'm gonna bring the money with me.
Pops, you don't have to bring the money. Where you know wire it? What's so mean, Pops?
Wire? You think it's a clothesline, but wire? I'm gonna bring the money when I'm coming to Jamaica.
Pops, then I think.
I'm gonna come to Jamaica very soon.
Then, Pops, you don't think it will cost more if you buy a plane ticket?
Don't worry about that. Do you think it's costing more when I send you money every day? You're calling me every day about money.
$1,000 a day of money, Pops.
Stingy.
$1,000 a day of money, Pops.
Convince him to send the money. We need the money. Convince him.
Yes, Pops. Yes, Pops.
Remember, I'm a businessman. I don't have time to go to bank or to Western Union or on my phone to do transaction. I have things to do. So what you gotta do, you gotta just make a list of all the things that I should do, and then I can just send you a package. Don't call me every day telling me about I should send you money. What do you want money to do every day?
Pops.
You need it.
Yeah.
Pops, listen, Pops. You don't have to come. You can't just send the money.
I don't want him here.
What? Is it that you're hiding something?
Who's that?
You don't want me to come to Jamaica?
You like in door or not? No, Pops, it's not like, I'm not saying that you're not supposed to come to Jamaica, Pops. Jamaica is your home. But what I'm saying, Pops, you know, understand me, no, Pops. Just, if you send the money, it will be more easier. What you coming to Jamaica to do? I'm already taking care of the businesses out here.
But wait, you don't see me. You don't know brought up, see.
Tracy,
Mm?
what is that you're wearing?
No clothes.
You know the type of people that wear this outfit? And in my house?
His father, what type of people wear this outfit?
I said black and white, something appropriate, Tracy.
Cookie, me go out of my way to buy black and white for where you come here, son.
By the way, at what point you start calling me Cookie?
Sorry, mistress.
No, this won't work.
Well, if this can't work, see bones them mama have around her back buried for you, I shall dig them up. In your frock like you're none, but this can't work, You know, say me a regular, me wear them a clothes a Cookie.
Oh my, very disrespectful. What bones is she talking about? Lord, what this me make touch help me put in a my place? No, me shouldn't listen to him, you know. God, and come and promote herself in my house, just in like that.